I want to show you guys a quick example of how we could use a variable in a text to replace this line right here. So as you can see, we're printing something to the screen. So if I want to replace that text, I'm going to create a variable name called name, and I'm going to add a string to it, assign a string to it. So now I can put my name is, and then I use the plus symbol, which adds or concatenates another string together, and we can reference our variable name. So we know within this variable there's a string named Michael, so it will actually add this string to this string. And another way we can format it, which I personally like better than using the plus symbol, is my name is, and then you're going to add these curly brackets here, and then dot format, and then the variable name. And it's just when you're working with a lot of variables, it's a little bit nicer to do, because then you could add multiple curly braces and then multiple variable names here.